My sister and her husband stay at our house when they come in town for the holidays, so I wanted to create a guest room for them using what we already had.
Hey, I'm Marika.
First, I bought blackout curtains to help our guests have a better night's sleep. Next, I took a wooden shelf from my office to use as a nightstand. And I had an extra table lamp, so I placed it on top. I didn't have a nightstand to match the shelf, so I grabbed a side table from the living room. We just rearranged our living room for our Christmas tree, so I won't need that side table for a few weeks. Then I brought up this narrow table that we used in our previous dining room. I added a basket full of extra blankets, a serving tray, and a hanging plant for coziness. Lastly, I added a world map from our old house that doesn't match our current style anymore.